Now student, question number 2, prove that the following is true by using principle of mathematical induction. The statement is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot dot plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Now solution, let Pn column 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot dot plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Now for n equal to 1, P1 column LHS and this is RHS. LHS is 1 cube means 1. RHS is 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 2 whole square means 1 into 2 upon 2 whole square. 2 cancel, 1 square means 1. So at n equal to 1, LHS equal to RHS. So P1 is true. Now let the given statement is true for any other particular value of n, where the particular value is smallest the n. So let it is true for Pk. For Pk, this implies Pk is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot plus k cube is equal to k into k plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Let it is true. It is true. Name this equation 1. Now we will prove that. Now we will prove that the given statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Means we will prove Pk plus 1 column 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot plus k cube, k plus 1 whole cube is equal to k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 whole square. जहां जहां में k था, k टर्म के लिए जहां जहां k था, अब k plus 1 टर्म के लिए क्या प्रूव करना है कि इट विल बी ट्रू. जहां जहां k वहां पे k plus 1 आना चाहिए. तो LHS पार्ट हम लेके चलेंगे एंड it will come for its RHS part, whereas it was written k, now it will be k plus 1. जहां जहां पे आपका k था, अब वहां पे क्या आ जाएगा, ऑटोमेटिकली k plus 1 आ जाएगा. So there is a magic in maths which you will observe, which I am just going to solve. So taking LHS, Pk plus 1 LHS 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot k plus 1 whole cube. Now by observing the pattern of the series, ना आप क्या देख रहे हैं, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, तो 3 cube से पहले क्या है 2 cube, 2 cube से पहले क्या है 1 cube. इसी तरह से k plus 1 whole cube है, तो k plus 1 whole cube से पहले क्या रहा होगा, k cube रहा होगा. तो सीरीज में जो मिसिंग टर्म एक हम k cube लिख देते हैं. ठीक है. Now taking all the term from 1 cube to k cube on combining together in a bracket, by which we can use the value of the series of from 1 cube to k cube is k plus 1 upon 2 whole square. We can put on this place directly, है ना, इसकी जगह पर इसकी वैल्यू को इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से पुट कर देंगे. तो रखिए इसको k into k plus 1 whole square, sorry k plus 1 upon 2 whole square plus k plus 1 whole cube. Now it is k square k plus 1 whole square upon 4 plus k plus 1 whole cube. Now taking k plus 1 whole square common, k plus 1 whole square take common, this is k square upon 4 plus k plus 1. Now taking LCM, this is k plus 1 whole square, k square plus 4k plus 4 upon 4. This is the square of k plus 2, है ना, k plus 2 whole square is k square plus 4 plus 4k. So it can be written as k plus 1 whole square and k plus 2 whole square upon 4. So the thing which we have to prove, it is k plus 1 whole square. So k plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 plus 1. हम k plus 2 क्या लिखेंगे, k plus 1 फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, k plus 1 whole square, this is k plus 1 whole square upon 4. 4 is the square of 2. So directly if we take the square of k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 whole square, it will be same as it is written here k plus 1 whole square k plus 2 whole square upon 4. तो हमने क्या किया, k plus 1 whole square k plus 2 whole square upon 4 को क्या लिख दिया, k plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Now it is exact in the form of the RHS part of pk plus 1. तो LHS हमने लिया k plus 1 के लिए, तो RHS में अपने आप ही देखिए जहां जहां k था pk टर्म में pk स्टेटमेंट के लिए वहां पर k plus 1 के लिए ऑटोमेटिकली k की चेंजेस होके आ गए k plus 1. इसका मतलब the given statement is true for every value of n. Which is equal to RHS. So the given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. So this implies it is true for n equal to k if it is true for n equal to k implies it will true for n equal to k plus 1. So the given statement is true for every value of n belongs to natural number, hence true.